What can I get you information on?
Perfect.
I want to try and put that in.
Yeah, you want to use that as much as possible. What can I get you information on? Yep.
Yeah. And then I've got somewhere in there using, what research have you done on me?
Yeah. What research have you done on me, or what research have you done on us, depending on where you're at? Perfect.
Yeah. And then what's the biggest reason? I'm in real estate. So what's the biggest reason for the move?
Yeah. And you might even want to say, what's your biggest reason for moving? Now, I want to change your order. I like all those, and I'd maybe leave it with all those, because you are locked in for landing with that information. If you know what can I get you information on, conversation's going to start. Just out of curiosity, what's your biggest reason for moving? Oh my God, we hate our neighbors. Our daughter finally got out of the house and on her own. We're ready to move to San Diego. Then, what research have you done on me? Right? So what research have you done on me should be your last question on your air traffic control card, because what that is opening the door to is allowing you to talk about yourself without it sounding like a sales pitch. So your air traffic control card are the questions that are the minimum things that you need to know about somebody in order to have a meaningful conversation with them without having to go back after you've already pitched. And what research have you done on us, or what research have you done on me, allows you to talk about yourself without it sounding braggadocious. So I think that air traffic control card is perfect. Let's just move that, what research have you done on me, to the end of it.
Okay. Is there anything else you think I should add?
I wouldn't overdo it. I think for right now, let's stick to that. If you're not, see, for real estate, he's doing what's your biggest reason for moving, which is dynamite. If you guys were in something where you're helping a business make money, hey, just out of curiosity, where are you at in terms of top line revenue right now? Where do you want to be, right? So find out your core, what's the core thing that you move? And if you're in real estate, the core outcome that you're selling is that change, right? And just sidebar, because it's going really deep into real estate. Nobody moves to something, everybody moves away from something, right? So that's why, what's your biggest reason for moving? Now people are more likely to say, house right now is too big, or house right now is too small, or neighborhood right now is too rural, nothing going on, or neighborhood right now is too busy and in the city, more than they are likely to say, I want a smaller house, or it's easier for people to talk about, oh God, I just hit the freaking button for 2025. We got all kinds of arguments still going on. It's easier for people to complain about what they don't like than it is for them to articulate what they want. So that's why it's easy to go with questions like, what's your biggest reason for moving? Or where are you at in terms of income right now? Where do you want to be? Give them both that negative and that positive polarity, and they'll be more likely to give you an answer you can work with.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.